a Lissig pillar. So we've decided archaeology community, which is sort of which is a development from Archaeology Cymru. So I'm putting in a Lissig pillar now the terrible news of Penmark Castle being left to decay and to fall apart by the inactivity of Cadw Welsh Historic Monuments. So I'm just gonna get on with what I'm doing, and if anyone's there and they want to ask a question, then they're very welcome. So one of those action things. So I've also got a new space to do my archaeological report writing now, and it's all good. It's all good of the country, as they say. So I might actually, we're going to put that there. I might actually, with this thing, Cadw Penarth, a deliberate loss of our heritage. Because in the next edition, we are looking at the next edition of a Listing Pillar. Now, anyone who wants to be a member of our community, right, let me know. Sort of a sample entry, sort of to become a member to get a magazine for the year, is £10. So if you're interested, then the next Illicit Pillar will be with you very shortly, and we'll get you some old copies as well. So this Illicit Pillar is sort of, it mentions about the university, the archaeological department abandoned. Some of the work of Advahannes Cymru, archaeological work in Cowbridge, West Wales, and I do believe we've got the work at Ogmore as well. And what I should be doing, so the one thing about this is that it's not defining specifically where the archaeological work is, so I need to put that in there. So we're looking at work that we've done in lots of localities. So if anyone's there watching, then you're welcome to make a remark, I think, and maybe I could get this out. There we go. Jordan's one of my fans. So we've got 10 people watching now, so if anyone wants to say anything, and if anyone wants to become a member of which is now archaeology community, right? If anyone wants to become a member for the year, right, it's £10, and the magazine that I'm actually working on now is here. I'm fine in Jurao. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Sort of a general thing, as people know, I'm an archaeologist, I'm a farmer, I'm an actor, I'm a filmmaker, I'm an author, a journalist, and that's one thing that I need to be getting on with next is my journal, my column for the newspaper. So, and my iron brew has run out. I had some iron brew earlier on. It had a bit of a weird effect on me. So I got 24 of these the other day, so we're slowly getting through them. So I'm writing a piece now in for the magazine. So just sort of stay there. I'm just deleting some stuff at this minute, so I just got to get on the focus. 1, 2, 3. I'm one of these when I'm editing, and I don't like to leave stuff behind. So that's 1 image deleted, 2 image deleted, and 3 image deleted. So I'm just going to make sure I got them in here as well. Are you English from England? No, I'm from Cymru, Wales. So siarad Cymraeg. Dysgu Cymraeg yn y Prifysgol yn y Gaerdydd. Dwi ddim yn deall Do them in Dyer? Basically, I can speak Siarad Cymraeg as well. So there we go. So I'm gonna just crack on, and I'm also a filmmaker. Done some farming stuff today. I've got to get on with that lamb as well. I've got to give it some more drink. So some nice warm food in that lamb's belly. So that's what I'm gonna do. So Cadw in the Vale of Glamorgan have shown a total disregard for our heritage at Penmark Castle, which, as from, don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. Do you find it offensive if someone calls you English? No, I don't actually, simply because technically Cymru Wales is still part of England. The Act of Union in 1536. So even though people in Cymru Wales feel that they're independent, they're not. We've got a Senedd. We've not an independent country at all. We're actually still part of England, right? That's not been repealed. That Act of 1536, which is nearly 500 years ago, has not been repealed. So technically, as much as people want to call themselves Cymro, Cymrais, which is the feminine for being from Cymru Wales, right? Um, you know, I'm English. I was born in Cymru Wales. I was born in Barry, which is in Cymru Wales. But technically, everybody in Cymru Wales is still English by legislation, by act, right? So yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just keep it going there, right? And anyone wants to join my channel, would be great. So keep chatting there, right? I'm just going to carry on with this piece I'm actually writing. So, Cadw in the Vale of Glamorgan was shown a total disregard for our heritage at Penmark Castle, which, as from the 3 previous images, the one of the main walls at the site, and these are a mixture of dressed external and core stone have collapsed, and this is a scheduled ancient monument protected by Cadw. It's Cadw, it's their responsibility to protect Penmark Castle. How many more sites in Cymru or Britain overall are seeing this national neglect for our heritage? So there's a message held for review there. There is also the radical grooming gang. Oh my god. Yeah, okay then. We'll just show that. I've got no problem with that. Yeah, alright then. I'll allow that. Fine. I'll allow that. Terrible stuff. So what I might do is see if there's any other images I haven't used this month, because if they fit, they fit. And oh, we're going to do a bit of sheep. Oh, oh, bugger. Right, there we go. We're going to do that. Me, sheep. Oh, God, I should have shared a sheep today. I didn't share a sheep. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If anyone wants to put a donation there, then it'd be great. If spiders could fly, try it. Really? What? Anyway, so we got that there. Ooh, we got that there. I've got a lot going on at this minute, and sheep fleeces, right? And I'm right. Okay, all these issues. I don't do politics, right? I know it's really important. I know there are terrible things happening in the name of a certain religion, and nobody's doing anything about it. But it's not what I talk about. I really don't do that. Really don't go there. It's not worth it for me personally. So let's just, if you want to talk about stuff, do talk about what I do, which is history, heritage, archaeology, farming, acting, filmmaking, journalism, sheep, turkeys, goats, and so on. By the way, you can hear stuff in the background. My question is that terrible? Well, yeah, of course it's terrible. But that's all I'm going to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always like people's comments and so on. And yeah, that's good. So I'm just going to do something else a minute. We are shearing sheep still. The season has been interrupted here by that set of rain clouds recently. I might do that there. Oh, there we go. Black Patches dog. Black Patches dog. Put a bit of sense in there. What I'm talking about, Black Patches dog, is actually the next illicit pillar, which I'm getting to the end page doing. And it's just been a weird day today. I've done well. I'm just getting on top of this. I've been doing some farming stuff. I've been trying to get my head over a few things. So I'm just talking about here, Hindaru, because I asked. It's also related culture and archaeology. Right. So Black Patches dog, Hindaru is mentioning about sort of history, civilization. Okay, and a certain religion wanted to destroy that and all the rest of it. I'm not going to discuss that, but what do you feel about that, Black Patches dog? Right? Yeah, I am doing a live. This isn't you. This is not a Zoom. This is actually YouTube. So I'm just going to carry on with what I'm doing, right? About my sheep in the magazine. Anyone who wishes to have a fleece sheared this year needs to let us know. They are mainly the colour in the image. Black Patches Jaro. No, we are not English. What I was trying to say, Black Patches dog, right, was that I'm not. I'm Cymru Wales, right? But I was saying legally, right? Legally, because the Act of Union of 1536 has still not been repealed, right? We are technically, in the eyes of the law, English, right? But fundamentally, as somebody from Cymru Wales, right, I'm Cymro, and I'm certainly not Welsh. And the reason why I don't say Welsh means foreigner, but that's a really difficult one. That's a black patches dog. That's for another night. Let's talk about something else. So anyone who wishes to have, now back to this, writing this, I read this out, right? Anyone who wishes to have a fleece sheared this year needs to let us know they are mainly the colour in the image and inclusive of postage. They are two members, £29.99. £29.99. And we don't have many for sale. Black Patches dog. He's the man. Get in touch soon. 29. Do you know what I could do? It's £30. That's a good value for a fleece, actually, considering the amount of work that goes into them. So I'm going to delete two images. I'm going to do an image of a fleece and a sheep. I'll explain all this in a minute. Right, so there's a sheep. Right, that is going to be deleted now. And that's going to, so we go back to that. So that's gone. And we go back to that, and that's gone. Right, deleted. Right, so right, the way I edit stuff is to delete stuff as I go along. So I've yeah, I got oh yeah, I've got to get rid of that church. So yeah, I'm thinking, right, anyone out there, I've got a bit of a question there. I'm just going to delete something again. Right, so that's there and there. Right, that's gone. Right, I got a guy in my classes, right, Black Patches dog, right. So I'm obviously editing a Lissig pillar. This is primarily Cymru Wales stuff. There's obviously stuff outside. So we got this brilliant reconstruction that we used in the classes about road surfaces last week. And I think last week. Anyway, typical road surface in Pompeii, right? So do I put this in a Lissig pillar as like an example of road surfaces in Britain? Anyway, Hindaru, nice to have you on board. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I do these really rarely. So if you ever want to join my channel, it's £1.99 a month. You get updates and stuff. So that'd be really great, right? So yeah, if you're around for a little bit longer, I'll send you a free copy of one of my books. So there we go. Do you know what I might? Oh, hang on a minute. There's another image here that I should have got rid of. So let's get rid of that image. I need to get rid of the image of Arthur Grave Preseli Hills because it's now in, and that's one of my sheep. So that's actually in there, and that's one of the sheep coming to lamb, not lamb, milk. Right. How how much time how much time does it take you to put down 2,000 words of dense information? It really depends because it really depends. If I'm under stress, right, and I've got to do a column for a newspaper, and I really don't have time, and I'm on a film set, and I've only got half an hour to, get a load of stuff written, I might just get it done. That's my answer, basically. That's my answer. So I might have. Do you know what? I'm just going to see if I've got any more images. Do you know what? I might put that one. I might put that image in. Yeah, let's put that image in. There we go. What I'm going to do, I'm thinking that that is a good image. That can go there. Do you know, this is like There we go. So if I put that there, I'm actually at the end of this now. Right. Oh, Pompeii before the ash fell. And what I might do is... Right, so that's that there. So, yeah. I'm probably going to have to go soon, simply because I got to... In fact, I think I've actually completed the magazine. I've got to proofread it. So just going to make sure that that is 8 pages. Right. Fortunately, I have run out of space. Do you know what I might do? I might delete that and maybe put that like there. Right, what I might do is I might just... Can you hear my sheep? They're hungry. So if I drop that, right, and I go like this, and I go right there. Oh, bugger! Oh, is that it? Right, so if I do this, oh right, I got to put it in. Right, okay. Right, okay. Oh, it's come up. Right, guys, I'm gonna have to go in a minute. So, yeah, I've done pretty well. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Right, I'm gonna leave that there. I might have to make these images a bit smaller, simply because... Right, I hope... Right, if I do that there... I don't know. This editing package that I got for this is like really restricted. Restricted. Right. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. God, nobody's doing that. Everyone like and subscribe now before I go. Hope readers don't mind. But we used this creation of ours below to use to illustrate not just a typical section of a Pompeii street in the Roman era, but generally to show a similar outlook across Britain in AD 79. That's it. Job done. I have to make that smaller. And as you can tell, I'm being called. Right, folks, I'm going to have to go. So anyway, thanks for joining me. I might do more of these Black Patches dog. And Might do more of these. So thank you very much for joining me on my live. I'm happy now that that's done. I've got to. It's gonna get really pissy now. The weather's gonna get really bad. So thank you for watching. Thanks, fans, and like, subscribe, and join. And I've got to think about feeding. I gotta get warm. Oh my god, I'm cold. I've got my socks on as well. Somewhere. Socks. Farmer's hat. Let's get into farmer's mode. Thank you, guys. Bye. Take care. And finally, like, subscribe, and join. More of these again. Oh, cool. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.